Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make baked meringue. Separate eggs carefully and keep yolks out of the whites. Whip whites until soft peaks form, then add cream of tartar. Gradually stream in sugar while beating to glossy stiff peaks. Pipe or spoon onto a baking tray lined with parchment. Bake at low heat until dry, then cool completely before serving for crisp shells and tender interiors. Keep everything clean and dry for reliable results. Use room temperature egg whites to reach fuller volume more quickly. Begin whipping on medium speed, then increase to high as foam builds. Add cream of tartar early to stabilize the structure. Slowly add sugar 1 tablespoon at a time and test for glossy, stiff peaks that hold their shape. Avoid overbeating, which can become grainy and collapse during baking. Pipe meringues into even shapes, leaving space for airflow. Bake low and slow to dry them rather than brown them, preserving a pale exterior. If baking pavlovas, start hotter to set the outside, then lower the temp to dry the interior. After baking, turn the oven off and let meringues cool inside with the door cracked to prevent sudden temperature changes. This gentle finish helps maintain crisp shells and soft centers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.